Hello everyone, welcome to part 165 of Advanced Ecom series in Laravel. So we are going to work on stock management in this video. In last few videos we able to integrate both Payumoney and PayPal, and COD we have done earlier, and now you can see we have three payment methods. One is the COD, PayPal and Payumoney. Okay, so one thing we have left with, that is the reducing stock. So every time when order get placed, we require to reduce the stock. So it is really important to reduce the stock every time when order placed. Okay, so in the case of COD, we will instantly reduce when the order will get placed, but in the case of PayPal and Payumoney, means in the case of prepaid method. See, this is the COD and these are the prepaid methods. We are going to reduce the stock whenever the payment has made from the customer. Okay, so we are going to do this thing in this video, and see more payment methods we are going to add later on. But first of all, we are going to work on the stock management, and another points I will tell you briefly, that these are the other points that we are going to do. See, this one, Payumoney payment gateway, we have already done, so I can simply remove this point, or I can just write it like pending points. Okay, so these are our pending points that we are going to work on one by one. Okay, so now we are going to work on the product stock management, reduce stock as the pro order placement, and after that we still need to work on the users in admin panel, SEO tags, search products, create CMS pages. So all these points we still require to do. Okay, and one point I have recently added, this product reviews and ratings. Okay, one of my friend told me to work on this point, so this is important point, and you can also tell me your point so that I can add here in list. Okay, so that we can cover all the points. Okay, so you can tell me your point, I will add here and we will surely do. Okay, so let's work on product stock management. This is really important. In every e-commerce website we need to manage the stock of every product. Okay, so I will log into the admin panel and we'll go in product section, and here you can see that we are managing the attribute of every product. Here you can go like this is the product, and here we are managing the stock of every attribute for every size, like for small size 10 stock, medium size 20 and large size 10. And whenever the order will get placed of this attribute, like one order will get placed of the small attribute of this product, okay, then we are going to reduce it to 9. We will reduce 1 from 10 and we will reduce it to 9, and vice versa. Like for medium, if the order get placed, if the one order will get placed, then 19. If in case two order of this item will get placed, then it will be 18. Okay, so we are going to reduce the stock according to the order, according to the ordered product, according to the quantity of the ordered product. Okay, so let's work on this thing. So first of all, we will take COD into consideration. So we are going to update COD checkout function. Here we have worked on. So I'm going to open the ProductsController at the front, and we'll open the checkout function, and here you can see that in post method we are submitting the order, we are placing the order, and here as you can see the payment gateway, COD or prepaid. Okay, so first of all we are taking COD. So we will add the condition here because we want to reduce the stock after placing the order straight away in case of COD. So we are going to add its script in for each loop. Okay, so here I'm going to add one script like this one. In case of COD, we will do the reduce stock, and see, we are going to do in for each loop, because see, this is the order placement script that we have done earlier. This is the main order, the order details, that the data that we are submitting to the order details. I am going to explain you once again. We'll go to PHP we'll open the ecom 6 database. So for orders we are managing two tables. one is the orders, and one is the order underscore products. There are other tables as well, but that we will not consider right now. But these two tables, orders and order products. Orders, in orders we are going to store the main information of the order. We are going to store the delivery address of the customer, and the payment method, payment gateway, order total amount. Okay, so these kind of things. And in order products we are going to store the ordered product details, the product details that the customer going to order. Okay, so the order ID will come, along with that order ID the product details will come. Okay, so in this we are going to pick this one, we are going to pick this product ID, we are going to pick this size to compare with the product attributes table. Like see here in this one, the last order, I'm going to show you that how we are going to clear out the things here. See, last order is the 40 order, so the main details of the 40 order is here in this table, and its product details will be in order products table. So I am going to here do like this, so you can see here 40 order is the last one, and its product details is mentioned here. So we are going to check here that okay, so this is the product ID, this is the product size, and this is the product quantity. So we are going to reduce one quantity from this product ID and from this side. So I am going to check in product attributes, I am going to check for the product ID 1 with size medium. Okay, so I am going to search I am going to search in product attributes, I am going to search for product ID 1 and having size medium. Okay, so this is the medium size, this is the product ID 1. So I'm going to reduce the stock from 20 to 19. I will check that its quantity is 1, so I'm going to reduce 1 from the stock of this product. Okay, so it will be 19. Okay, so we are going to work like this, we are going to reduce the stock like this. We are going to compare both the tables. First we are going to check that which product has been ordered, and after that we are going to reduce that stock, that quantity, from the products underscore attributes table. I hope that this is clear to you, and if still not clear to you, then you can surely ask me in video description. Okay, so let's continue. I am going to update here in checkout function. I have added the condition that we are going to reduce the stock for COD only. So here I will add the comment as well, reduce stock script start. Okay, reduce stock script start, or reduce stock, anything you can write. So here first of all I am going to check for the current stock of the ordered product. Okay, so here we are having the ordered product that we are saving in this table, in this product order underscore products table. We are saving the product. So along with the saving of the product, we are also going to check its stock. Okay, so we are going to do this one in for each loop, get product stock. So we are going to get the product stock from products attribute model. We are going to check for the product ID. Product ID is, we are going to we know that it's in item. We are going to check in cart table. In cart table we are having the product ID as well as the size. So we are going to check, okay, so this is the product ID and this one is the size. Okay, so in item we are having the product ID, and also we are having the size. So in products attribute, first of all we are going to check size is here, and here also size is there. So we are going to check the size also in item. Here in cart table we are going to compare the size as well. Okay, so here we are going to do first, after that we going to use the to array. Now we are having the stock from here. We are going to have the stock of this particular product code of this particular product that the customer want to purchase. Okay, so you can also check this one. And here we are having that one, that the stock that the customer want to purchase. We are getting the stock from here in product underscore attributes, like if the customer is going to buy this medium size product of product id 1, then we are fetching the stock 20. Okay, so we are having the 20 stock. So from this 20 stock we will reduce the demand from the customer, and the demand for the stock is, we are going to check here. Okay, so this is the product id 1 and the customer user id is 1. Okay, so the product id is 1 and he wants the size medium, so its quantity is 1, so the demand is from the customer is 1. So we are going to reduce 1 from the attribute from this one, from 20. Okay, so 20 minus 1. So new, we have the new stock here. So I'm going to write like this: dollar new stock equal to dollar get product stock, and after that stock will come here. Okay, so this stock, see which one is this one, this is the product attribute stock. So this one I am talking about, this stock, this is 20 minus, now 1 will come. So from where 1 will come? 1 will come from here, item quantity. Okay, so here dollar item that the customer wants, that the customer demands, that the customer orders. So this is that stock, that is the 20 minus 1. New stock will be 19, and this new stock we are going to save in our products attributes table. So we are going to copy this one, same thing once again, and we are going to update the new stock here, and that is very much simple. We are going to have this new stock already, we are having the now new stock, so we can insert, we can update the stock in products attribute table for the product. Okay, so our reduce stock script ends here. Okay, so let's test it. So what I'm going to do, so this is the product that I have added with 1 quantity. We are going to do for single product at this time. So let's test with the single product. I opened it here as well. Just check, this is the product id 1. Okay, so that's fine. So BT01, so that is fine. So it's the 20. Okay, so 20 minus 1, it must be 19. Okay, after placing the order. So let's see, I'm going to refresh once again. See, there is some issue. So first of all we need to resolve the issue. We need to check that where we have made this issue. I think now it must be correct. Still here, product attribute where product id is dollar item product id. Okay, so here now side is this one, now it must be fine. No, still side is this one. Okay, so this one is for here, expecting, so here also. Okay, so this one and this one. Okay, so now fine. Okay, so now we are going to go for the COD order, and for one product we are going to buy so that its stock will reduce to 19. So let's see, I'm going to place this order. See, order will get placed, email is sending offline, so that's why it is taking a bit time. Okay, so it's done. Now I'm going to refresh here and will check its stock will reduce to 19 or not. It's medium size that the user ordered for. So let's see, this is 19, so our stock has been reduced. Okay, so we able to reduce one stock from the products attributes because the customer ordered for this particular product attribute. Okay, so like this we can now do for the multiple. Now we are going to purchase like 2 items for small and 3 items for medium, so it will be 7 and it will be 16. Okay, so let's see. Let's try with 2 items this time. I am going to add medium. Okay, so medium and large is there, so no issue. We are going to add the medium, and we are going to add the large as well. Okay, so now we have the 2 items here, so medium and large. We are going to check for medium and large here. BT01, so BT01, so that is fine. And now see, we are going to update its stock to like 2 3. Okay, 3 for large, 3 stock for large, and 2 for medium. So plus 2 for medium. Okay, 3 for large and 2 for medium, so both will reduce, both medium and large will reduce here. Okay, so medium will reduce to 2, so it will be 17, and large will reduce to 3, so it will be 7. So let's see, let's go forward. Next. Okay, so we have 3 quantity and 2 quantity here, so both will reduce. So let's see, both medium and large will reduce here. So let's try. I will click on place order, and oh sorry, we have not selected the delivery address. Now once again we will do COD and click on place order, and see, it will take few minutes because it is sending email offline. So now it has been done. Order ID is 42 and the amount is 31670, and we are going to check the stock now. I'm going to refresh. Both medium and large must reduce. So let's see, it is 17 and it is 7. 3 stock reduced from large and 2 stock reduced from medium, so it is working perfectly. It able to reduce the stock of both the items, and both the items have been ordered by the user. Okay, so we able to reduce the multiple item stock as well. So now we are going to reduce the stock both from Payumoney and PayPal. Okay, so for that we are going to update the function for both. Okay, so both PayPal and Payumoney. So first of all we will reduce the stock from Payumoney. So if the payment is successful, only then we are going to reduce the stock. Okay, so we are going to open Payumoney controller, and here we will come to the success. See, Payumoney verify, and we will come here in success condition where the order is successful, and here inside this condition we are going to reduce the stock. Okay, so we are going to check here. So we can reduce the stock here inside this one when the success and captured both is true, and it will come inside this one. And here you can see that for sending email we are having this order details with orders underscore products, and see we will add one for each loop here to, for that reducing stock script, and we can also check the email that will help us to add that condition. See, order.blade.php, and the same condition we will use. See, this condition we will use there to reduce the stock. Okay, so we are going to add this condition like this one, and it will help us to reduce the stock. And here we will add the same comment that we have added here, reduce stock script starts, and here reduce stock scripts ends. So we are going to copy this one same once again, and we will make changes in that one. We are going to do like this, and then we are going to make changes because here we are having the order instead of the item. Okay, so we are going to check in order underscore products table for the order. So we are going to replace the item with order. So we are going to replace this one everywhere, item. Okay, so this is the script, get product stock, and product attribute where product ID, order product ID, size is order size. Just double check product ID, fine, and size is order. Okay, so here we need to replace it with order details. Okay, so instead of order we will replace with the order details, and here we can able to test this one. Then one thing we can do here, we can able to check this one in Payumoney verify API as well. Okay, see, this one is fine, we are doing fine. See here, this is the Prox attributes table, and we are getting the stock here. First of all we will get the current stock. Okay, so I will do one thing, that to comment, so that we will never forget. First of all, pick the current product stock. Okay, this one is the current product stock that we will pick. Current product attribute stock. Okay, fine, this is the current product stock that we will pick. Okay, so after picking the current product stock, we have the quantity. This one is the quantity demanded by the user. Okay, so this is the new stock, so we are going to calculate new stock here. Okay, so new stock will be calculated. This is the quantity that the customer wants. If this is 1 and this one is the 20, so 20 will come here and minus 1, so this one we are taking from this product attribute. Okay, so this one is fine. So after that we are going to update new stock. Okay, we are going to update new stock in product attribute. So here we are going to update the new stock, so that will work perfectly. Okay, so same thing we are going to do for PayPal as well. So for that we will update the PayPal controller, and here in IPN function we are going to update this function. Here we are going to add this for each loop, so it will work in the same way because both are the prepaid method. Okay, so order details we are having, or order details and order products, so we will add the for each loop for this one, and rest everything will remain the same. Okay, so this one will work here as well. Okay, so you can add both in PayPal as well as the Payumoney, and you can try at your end. Okay, you can try in the same way like I have tested both earlier on. In earlier videos I have tested both, that you know that how to test both payment gateways. So add the reducing script in those, and if some error comes then you can able to resolve it as well. Okay, and ask me if you have any trouble. Okay, so try this one, reducing stock. First go for COD. I have already coded for COD, and you can I think you can easily do at your end. And both for Payumoney and PayPal you can try, and let me know if you face any difficulty. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.